Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Welcome to my flooring trade tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Scotia bead to cover the expansion gap around the edge of your flooring. The products and tools you're going to require are Scotia bead, a mitre block and a 10-inch saw. If you don't happen to have one of them, a hacksaw and a set square will work. A tape measure and pen, sealant and a cork gun, and on some occasions you may need panel pins and a small hammer. Now, Scotia beads are most commonly used for covering up the expansion gap around the outside edge of your flooring. Now, expansion gaps can range in size. They can go from 2mm right up to 20-25mm wide, just depending on what type of flooring you're using and the size of the area that's being covered. This particular one I'm using is 15mm. It'll stand 15mm high when it's touching the floor and fixed to the skirting board. This is a white one, which is probably the most common one used because most people have white skirting boards. It's a veneered, primed material and it can be painted over. However, you can purchase one to match and blend in with your floor pattern a little bit better. Now, I've cut these in at a 45-degree angle with the mitre saw. So that's the kind of look you're hopefully going to achieve tight into your corners, just like this. So that type of cut works perfect for the corners. However, you may need to do a different cut called a scarf joint for a continuous run of your Scotia bead. It is cut at a 45-degree angle. Most of the time these come at 2.4 meters in length, and if your wall's longer than that, you're going to have to butt them up, and a scarf joint is the way to do that. Now, it is a 45-degree cut, the same as the corner one. However, the saw itself on your corner one does your 45 when it's standing upright. When it does your scarf joint, again it's 45 degrees. However, it's cut at a different way, like that. Because what you don't want to do is just butt them up with a manufactured cut like this. So each piece that you cut, it's always wise to place them in position just as a dry run, just to double check that all your joints marry up and nothing needs recutting or tweaking. And if you're happy with them, then you can start to glue and fix them into position. Whether you're covering the expansion gap on laminate boards, engineered wood, or luxury vinyl like this one, the Scotia bead always needs to be fixed to the skirting board and not the floor. It is a floating floor and may expand or contract with different temperatures. So that's my Scotia bead now complete. If you're looking for more inspiration or how-to videos, check us out on all social media handles, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to know more information on flooring, just go to the website flooringmountain.co.uk.